what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this metal platform bed that I just put together. And my initial reaction after assembling it is that this thing is pretty awesome. Looks pretty nice. So the black and gray look is really, really classic. This is a full-size bed. And yeah, the tufting on this is really, really nice. It's actually really, really soft. Now, the rest of the bed is a metal frame, and they do use solid wood slats, but the combination between the wood slats and the metal frame, I think, is a really, really good combination for a bed that is built to last. Now, the assembly took me about, I want to say about 40 minutes, maybe 45 minutes. It's not a very, very long process at all. Not too many screws either, so that's a plus. Usually if the hardware is minimal, that's a pretty good indicator as to how long the assembly will take. So like I said, it took me 45 minutes or so, but the average person could take a little bit longer depending, of course, on your skill set and the tools that you use. I did use a drill, which helped expedite the process, but it's not necessary for you to use a drill. It does come with an Allen key for you to use in case you don't have your own tools, so you should be able to get this up relatively quickly. But all in all, very, very simple bed, but very nice looking as well. But I think once the mattress is on and all the bedding is on, it's going to look really, really nice. But even just standing alone by itself right now, it looks really, really nice. So I really, really like the tufting on the headboard, the fact that it's all metal in terms of the frame, which means to me that it's really, really built to last, and the solid wood slats to support the entire bed. But all in all, this bed definitely gets my stamp of approval. I highly recommend that you go ahead and take a look at it, and I'll see you on the next review.